Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Most people think it's only because we're sleepy, but the real reason is more interesting. When your brain starts slowing down, it begins to heat up. A yawn pulls in a deep breath of cool air, which helps cool the brain and wake it up. It's basically your body pressing a tiny reset button. And here's the weird part. Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, your brain copies it. Scientists say this happens because of empathy. We mirror the people we feel connected to. So the next time you yawn, remember, your brain is cooling down, waking up, and syncing with the people around you.